Shelbyville, sunny, 50. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Memphis Police Department for Barbara Sanders. Barbara is a 17-year-old black female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 150 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Barbara was abducted by Lafayette Lucky Miller. Miller is a 38-year-old black male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 205 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Miller is wanted by the Memphis Police Department for kidnapping. If you have seen Barbara or Lafayette Lucky Miller, please contact the Memphis Police Department at 901-528-CA South H or TBI at 1800-T. B. I. F. I. North. D.